तो मेरी जो पॉलिसी है वो ये है कि वी शुड बी एबल टू फर्स्ट, if the technology is there, it is no good unless we are able to understand. If we are able to use that technology. So again, coming back to the human resource and their training. So we keep acquiring the technology as it comes and as we can afford it, because affording the technology is also
another issue
a very important issue. And then it's to acquire the technology and then to assimilate, absorb the technology, and then to support that technology. So we do it in a very organized and systematic way. And also it is my policy कि जितनी भी टेक्नोलॉजी हम एक्वायर करते हैं बाहर से भी, उसको हम लोकली किस तरीके से सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इन माई व्यू. इट इज़ फॉर अस एज अ कंट्री, फॉर अस एज अ नेवी, टू बी एबल टू स्टैंड ऑन आवर ओन फीट. And only those countries and those organizations prosper who can deliver standing on their own feet and not asking, right, left. So that is a very important pillar of my policy, to be able to stand on our own feet and support our local industry. As a matter of policy now, whatever acquisitions we do, we have an inbuilt clause of transfer of technology. So we acquire the technology also, and then we try and support that technology through indigenous resources. We have a lot of capacity in our local industry. Let me say that people say normally कि हमारी local industry weak है. It may be weak for many. Navy is a very technologically superior service because we operate on equipment. Ships के ऊपर aircraft, submarines are all equipment. Or technology plays a very vital role. But we have made use of the local industry in many ways. We have strengthened our own repair organizations so that we are able to make use of this technology. And unless we are able to make use of the technology in itself is useless.
Okay. Sir, in the times of today, in the current scenario, is there any particular message कि आप जो nation को देना चाहेंगे?
मैं तो ये उसी बात पे करूँगा कि every man must do his duty. This was actually the last signal made by Admiral Nelson in Battle of Trafalgar. Signals उस ज़माने में flag hoist से होते थे. So he made the signal, England expects everyone will do his duty. Now that signal has gone down in history. It is everybody is aware of it, especially the naval people. But there is a lot of depth in that. If everybody does his duty, no matter where, no matter how big or small, collectively there will be improvement. There will be improvement in that organization, in that service, in that society, and in that country. So we need to, in my view, Pakistan is a very big country. It's a very important country. We need to show to the world that we are big, we are important, we are capable. So we have to do our work.
We need to do some image building here as well.
Exactly. So image building comes with your, performance.
सही.
अगर आपकी performance सही direction में है, people will see what you're doing. They will not believe what you say. So we keep saying. हम लोग बाहर
काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं वैसे.
हाँ, हम बातें करते हैं, बस काम थोड़ा करते हैं. अगर हम काम ज़्यादा करें, so I think people in the world will see, well, this is a big country. You see, Pakistanis have done well all over the world. You've been in Canada, you visited other countries. You see, Pakistanis excelling in their fields. So there are some people who come.
Discipline आ जाता है.
Exactly. So that is very important for a country, for people to be disciplined, to be focused on what they're doing. And if they do what they're supposed to do, and collectively it will make a lot of difference. So we keep blaming other people. And we don't say कि हम खुद क्या कर रहे हैं, हमें खुद क्या करना चाहिए. हम अपनी तरफ नहीं देखते. And as a matter of habit, we criticize others. कि वो देखो वो ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, ये नहीं है. But that is a wrong attitude. One must look at himself and say, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए और मैंने कितना किया और कितना और कर सकता हूँ. So this is my message to everybody, in fact.
और पाकिस्तान की अहमियत नौजवानों को realize करवाएं.
Very important. We are a very important country in the world. We are a very big country. We are a very powerful country. All we have to do is to show our potential to the world. And it is not through destructive means. It is through constructive means. We have to be part of the world community. We have to live in this world. We have to share resources. So we don't want to be a liability to others. We want to take on the liability of others. That should be our aim, actually.
ठीक है. Any one of your favorite quotes which you would like to say before we take off today?
Do your work with honesty and sincerity and leave everything to Allah Almighty. This is my firm conviction.
Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. It was an extreme honor to be here. And I myself am highly motivated, and I'm sure everyone is as motivated as I am. Keep on doing your work and stay with Achievers till next time. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.